Got a black screen on your 40-inch ONN Roku TV and not sure what to do? You're in the right place. In this guide, we'll dive into how to fix a black screen on a 40-inch ONN Roku TV. Whether you're watching your favorite show or getting ready for movie night, that dreaded black screen can throw a wrench in your plans. But don't worry, the solution is often simpler than you think. Here, we'll walk you through some troubleshooting steps to get your screen back to normal so you can enjoy uninterrupted entertainment. Step 1. Check power and connection. The first step in fixing a black screen on your ONN Roku TV is to ensure it's getting power and all connections are secure. 1. Ensure power supply. Check if the TV is plugged in and the power outlet is on. A loose cable could sometimes mimic a black screen issue. 2. Inspect the power cable. Look for any visible damage to the power cable. If suspicious, try using a different compatible cable or outlet. 3. Assess HDMI and other connections. Make sure all HDMI cables and external device connections are snug and properly attached. Switch between HDMI ports to rule out a faulty port. Step 2. Perform a quick restart. Sometimes a simple restart is all your 40-inch ONN Roku TV needs to fix the black screen issue. Follow these steps to restart your TV. 1. Unplug the TV. Disconnect your TV from the power outlet and wait for about 60 seconds. 2. Plug back in. Reconnect the power cable to the outlet and turn on your TV. 3. Soft reset via menu. If you can access the menu, navigate to Settings, System, Power, and select System Restart. This can refresh your TV system and resolve the black screen. Step 3. Reset picture setting. Incorrect picture settings might be the culprit. Let's reset these to default. 1. Access setting. Press the Home button on your remote to enter the Settings menu. 2. Picture settings. Go to Settings, TV picture setting. 3. Reset to default. Select Reset Picture Settings to restore the original settings, which might resolve any incorrect configurations causing the black screen. Step 4. Check for software updates. Keeping your TV software up to date is essential for optimal performance. Here's how. 1. Check for update. Go to Settings, System, System Update to see if there are any updates available. 2. Download and install. If an update is available, download and install it. This might include fixes for common issues, including the black screen problem. 3. Restart post-update. After the update, restart your TV to apply new changes fully. Step 5. Factory reset as a last resort. If none of the above steps work, a factory reset can help restore your TV to its original state. This should be your last resort as it erases all settings and data. 1. Find the reset option. Navigate to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings. 2. Select Factory Reset. Choose Factory Reset and follow the on-screen instructions. This process will take a few minutes. 3. Reconfiguration. Once reset is complete, you'll need to reconfigure your settings and add back any personal preferences and accounts. Now that you know how to fix a black screen on a 40-inch ONN Roku TV, you can tackle this issue with confidence and ease. From checking power connections to performing a factory reset, these steps should cover most causes of this issue. Remember, keeping your TV software updated and handling the hardware connections with care can prevent future problems. Enjoy your entertainment without interruptions, and happy viewing.